Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 for Mathematics 5. Divisibility rule by 4. A whole number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number can be divided by 4 without remainder, or the last two digits are zeros. So we have here the conditions. Please take a note of this one. If the last two digits of the number can be divided by 4 without remainder. So this is our first condition. So we have to focus on the last two digits of the given number, and then after that we have to divide it by 4. Let's see if it is the number that we divide by 4 will acquire a remainder. Okay? If it has a remainder, automatically it is not divisible by 4. And then I want you to be observant of this word. We use the word or. When we use the word or, it means that you can meet the first condition only. Again, you can meet the first condition only without meeting the second condition because we use the word or. So that is the difference between or and. So the second condition here is this. The last, this one. The last two digits are zeros. So automatically, if the last two digits of the given number is 0, automatically it is divisible by 4. No need to compute for that. So let's determine whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. Example number 1, we have here 128. So let's focus on the last two digits of the number. So what is the last two digits of the given number? So for this, we have here 2 and 8. So therefore, we have to divide 28 by 4. Let's do this. So it will become 28 divided by 4. What is 28 divided by 4? It's 7, right? We don't have a remainder. So therefore, it is a yes. It is divisible by 4. As easy as that. Next, example 2. 400. So the last two digits of this given is zeros. The second condition is this. The last two digits are zeros. So therefore, automatically it is a yes. It is divisible by 4 because the last two digits of the given is zeros. Next, another number. So we have here 572. Let's focus on the last two digits of the given number, and that's 72. And then you have to divide it by 4. So we have here 72 divided by 4. What is 72? What is 72 divided by 4? That is 18 without having a remainder, right? So therefore, it is also a yes because when we divide 72 and 4, we didn't get any remainder from it. Next, let's have another. We have here 1983. Again, let's focus on the last two digits of the given. The last two digits are 83. So therefore, you have to divide it by 4. So now we have here 83 divided by 4. Let's divide. 83 divided by 4, we have here a remainder. So therefore, it is a no. Because when we have a remainder, when we divide the last two digits by 4, automatically it is not divisible by 4. So that's the rule. Remember that. Divisibility rule by 8. How about this? The rule is a whole number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits can be divided by 8 without remainder or the last three digits are zeros. It is very similar with divisibility rules for number 4. We also have here two conditions to meet or to follow. So the first condition is that if the last three digits can be divided by 8 without remainder, so therefore we have to focus on the last three digits of the given number. And I want you to notice this one. We use the word or this part. So meaning you don't have to meet the two conditions that we have, the first and the second one. It is fine to meet the first condition only. Okay? Because we use the word and the word or. So the next condition is that the last three digits are zeros. So therefore, if the last three digits of the given is 0, then automatically it is divisible by 8. Let's have an example here. Determine whether the given number is divisible by 8. Example 1, 224. 224 is a three-digit number. So therefore, we have to divide all of this number or all of this digit by 8. So it will become 224 divided by 8. You can use a scratch paper to divide 224 and 8. What is the answer? The answer is 28. We don't have any remainder. So therefore it is a yes. It is divisible by 8. Let's have another. 2000. So focus on the last three digit of 2000. Those are zeros. So according to our second rule, the last three digits are zeros. Automatically, it is a yes. It is divisible by 8 because the last three digits are zeros. Next, we have here 3781. Kindly focus on the last three digit of it, and that is 781. And what you are going to do next is to divide 781 by 8. So what's the answer? It has a remainder, right? So therefore, it is a no, no. It is not divisible by 8 because when we divide 781 by 8, we got a remainder. We don't want that. So therefore, it is a no. Okay? So that's it for part 1 of our topic. This is divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12. So therefore, for our part 2, we will be discussing divisibility rules for 12 and 11. Okay, so please watch the part 2 of this video. If you have any queries about us or about the topic, kindly message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.